colleagues will tell first person and present person.
Today we will tell about our first and present person. Our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Our present Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi.
Our first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Our present President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu.
Our first Vice President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Our present Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankar.
Our first Finance Minister of India, Liaquat Ali Khan. Our present Finance Minister of India, Nirmala Sitharaman.
Our first Home Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Our President Home Minister of India, Amit Shah.
Our first Railway Minister of India, John Mathai. Our present Railway Minister of India, Ashwin Vaishnaw. Thank